I was thinking, what if we start relationships by basically bringing out the dirty laundry? What if we start without any masks, without any filters, but going in completely raw and honest of who we are, what we struggle with? How would that change dynamic in the future of the relationship? Would it make it last longer, be of a better quality? And honestly, I think yes, because if we come in all honesty and vulnerability, showing who we truly are, and the other person likes us for what we are from the very beginning, chances are neither one of us is going to run away later. What I see as a big problem between people in relationships is that we all start by pretending that we're something we might not be, and we put on the mask. We are being the best version of ourselves, but then later on, as we get comfortable in a relationship, we kind of start dropping those masks and showing other faces, and then the other person is like, what the hell is this? I didn't sign up for this. But they're doing the same thing. So I'm doing the experiment of basically coming in raw and trying to be who I actually am, not pretending that I'm something else, to see what happens. So I'll keep you updated, and if you guys are open to trying something similar and maybe you're at the beginning of a relationship, drop a comment, let me know how it is going for you.